Now we'll talk about other materials, that is pencils. So let's start. Today I am going to talk about the pencils I use. Generally everyone asks to my students as well and to me as well, what kind of pencil do you use? What is your technique? Without blending, how it is possible? हर एक को लगता है कि मैं कुछ जादू करता हूँ, मेरे स्टूडेंट्स को जादू करते हैं. The one thing is common, that the kind of rendering you are seeing in my work as well as in my students' work is the result of pencil on paper itself. आज के लिए बहुत ट्रेंड चल रहा है कि शॉर्टकट के लिए लोग स्मजिंग करते हैं, काफी स्मजिंग करते हैं. बट लेट मी टेल यू ऑनेस्टली, स्मजिंग इज नॉट द पार्ट ऑफ पेंसिल ड्राइंग itself. It's not a pencil drawing at all. Pencil drawing must be done with the pencil and paper only. Smudging will not stand in art galleries. For charcoal medium, you can use smudging. That's no problem. But pencil drawing must be done with the pencil, and the kind of beautiful blend of the pencil and paper itself, it attracts human eyes. मुझे लोग पूछते हैं दाना 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 कहाँ से आना? So it's the result of avoiding smudging 100%. So what kind of pencil can give you that kind of result? The pencil, I'm telling you, I have tested on the quality of its consistency. Consistency means, if I am using, suppose I am using a Staedtler brand pencil of 4B pencil, okay? So consistency of grade should be right from this end to this end. It should give you even blade, even darkness throughout the pencil. At the same time, if I use 100th pencil of 4B, it should also give me the same kind of darkness with the same kind of pressure. On that category, that particular test, I am telling you the kind of pencils I am using. One more quality is that it should be easily readable, easily sharpen होना चाहिए, और sharpen करते हुए वो break नहीं होना चाहिए उसका graphite. That is the most important quality of the pencil. Even if I use 8B graphite of Staedtler, okay, it won't break consistently on the while using sharpener. It has a good quality. So that kind of quality I see while using pencil. Even 4B pencil of this Blix Studio pencil, okay, whatever I am using, are consistent about their shade, giving blending quality, blottable quality, and you can easily sharpen this. These are the premium quality of the good quality of pencil. So let us see what kind of pencils I generally use. I will talk about the pencils which I have used in my artwork, as well as right now I am using in my artwork. So I don't use at a time so many pencils. At a time only one brand. So generally right from the beginning, I have used this Blix Studio pencil. It may not be available in India, but I like these pencils and its graphite for a particular quality. You know, it gives a very crisp quality rendering. It won't flow like any, it won't stick the paper, and at the same time, it will give such a quality, fineness of rendering. It's a good quality of this pencil. It will give you easily flow, and it can give a dark value on the paper. At the same time, it is easily kneadable from the paper. That's the best quality about this pencil. So generally I like this pencil too much, Blix Studio pencil, and for every artwork I have used this pencil. Whenever I use graphite pencil, I use work with this pencil, this kind of pencil. And I have imported it from the US. It is not available in India, but cost wise also it is reasonable. That's why I like this pencil. It's a 4B. It's my most favorite pencil. It can give a dark value as well as it gives a light value as well. So let us talk about another brand I use regularly. That is the Staedtler brand. Staedtler Mars Lumograph. So as all these pencils are not available in India, यहाँ पे अवेलेबल नहीं है, तो I suggest all the students to use Staedtler Mars Lumograph graphite pencil. And one particular pencil I use of this brand is 8B black. It doesn't give you shine on the paper, and it's such a pencil. I complete my artwork with only one pencil, only one grade of the pencil. It won't give you shine on the paper. At the same time, it will give a darkest value on the paper as well, and it gives a very beautiful blend on the paper. Generally, recently what I have done is with the Staedtler 8B black pencil. This is the pencil. It is available everywhere in Indian art material shop. You can buy it from there, or else the link given below this video at your choice. This graphite pencil is also a good quality pencil. They can blot easily on the paper. At the same time, they can give a dark shade without applying a pressure on the pencil on paper. So this is a good brand, Staedtler Mars Lumograph. And for 8B, particularly, don't use 8B of this blue color. Okay, earlier we used to get that 8B with this color, but now 8B of this color is a graphite pencil. And what I am talking about the material is 8B black. This is without shine. ये पेंसिल आपको पेपर के ऊपर ग्लेजिंग नहीं देगी, शाइन नहीं देगी. वेरी ब्यूटीफुल पेंसिल, और इसके वजह से आपको आपके आर्ट वर्क से पूरे ग्राफाइट का शाइनिंग निकाल सकते हो. दैट इज द मेन प्रॉब्लम यू may be facing while doing darker shade. So let us talk about one more pencil of Staedtler, that is EE, double E. It gives you a deeper darker shade than 8B. This is 8B black. This is quite a soft pencil, little softer pencil than 8B black, but it gives you softer look and darker shade than 8B black. Now I'll show you how this Blick Studio pencil actually works on paper. Let us see. Friends, now we'll see the demo of each pencil we have used. First we'll see the Blick Studio pencil, the 4B pencil, how it works on a paper. I will use each pencil on the same paper so that the result you will get the result on the same paper. I am not applying any pressure. This is the 4B pencil of Blick Studio. It can give a lighter tone as well. Now we'll check the quality of graphite. uh, how much it is easily kneadable by kneaded eraser. Yes, it is easily kneadable. That graphite can be easily deposited on the paper. At the same time, it is easily kneadable from the paper. This is good quality graphite. Now let us see how this Staedtler mass lomograph graphite pencil works on paper. Let us see. Now we'll check the Staedtler pencil. I will take a 2B pencil. Staedtler mass lomograph pencil, okay. It is equivalent to Blake Studio pencil. And lighter tone as well. It is possible with the same pencil. Now we'll check how it is easily kneadable with the kneaded eraser. The same quality. So the way it get deposited easily on the paper, the same way easily kneadable from the paper with the help of kneaded eraser. I'll talk about one more pencil, that is Caran-d'Ache pencils. The graphite of these pencils is the finest graphite on this planet. I will show you how it works on the paper, easily kneadable. At the same time it can give the dark shade very easily. But one point is that these are very costly pencils. So it's my suggestion is to use affordable pencil. Though it is a good pencil, if you afford it, you can use. It's a really nice pencil, but the cost is too high. So let us see how it works on the paper. Now we'll check the quality of Caran-d'Ache. I'll use 5B pencil. It flows very easily. Now we'll check how it is easily kneadable with the help of kneaded eraser. Yeah, it is easily kneadable. So these are the pencils I can suggest you. Okay, I will tell you about one more pencil I generally use to give a darker shade, extreme dark shade. It's Conte Paris 3B pencil. Conte Paris 3B. It's oil bonded charcoal, and whenever you need a darkest shade, you can use this pencil. I generally use this pencil at whenever I need a darker shade, you can buy it from anywhere or the link below this video. Now one more dark pencil, that is Conte Paris 3B. Okay. I use this pencil to make extreme dark shades. Okay. You have to, this is a little bit more in diameter, larger in diameter. So generally I use either this type of pencil sharpener which has a big hole and wider hole. I use, okay, like this. This is a Faber-Castell sharpener. Faber-Castell, okay. So I make it sharper and then start using, okay. You can compare the darkness. See, I am showing you the darkness, dark values. It gives satisfactory blend and dark tone as well. See, this is the difference. This is the difference. Okay. Now we'll show you how this 8B black and double E pencil of Staedtler Mars Lomograph, how it works on the paper. Let us see. Now see, we'll see the performance of Staedtler 8B black. Okay. How does it work? At the same time, you can give lighter strokes as well. So that's why I use this pencil maximum time in my drawing. So you can give darker shade as well. Now about the pencil double E, Staedtler EE. It is a soft pencil. It gives much darker shade and it's a soft pencil. You can use this for darker tones. It gives a darker shade very easily. Like this, you can have a closer look. So friend, this is about the pencil.